In question 2a part 1 we have to state the difference between a scalar and a vector quantity. Well, a vector quantity has magnitude and direction, whereas a scalar quantity has magnitude only. In part 2 we need 2 examples of a scalar and 2 examples of a vector quantity. Well, 2 scalars would be mass and speed, 2 vectors could be force and velocity. In B part 1 we have a force diagram something like this, and we're asked to calculate the horizontal and vertical components of the force. Well, the horizontal component here is across the angle given of 35 degrees, and so this is just the actual force multiplied by the cosine of 35 degrees, which gives us 2293.6 newtons or 2.3 kilonewtons. The vertical force here is away from the angle, so this is given as force times the sine of 35, which comes out at 1606 newtons or 1.6 kilonewtons. In part 2 we're told the ship is moving at a constant velocity of 8.3 meters per second in the direction of this horizontal force. We need to calculate the power provided by the wind to the ship in an appropriate unit. Well, power is equal to force times velocity in the direction of the force, and so putting in the values, the horizontal force of 2.3 kilonewtons and the velocity of 8.3 meters per second gives a power of 19090 watts or 19 kilowatts. In C we're told the cable which is subjected to the force has a diameter of 0.014 meters, and we need to calculate the tensile stress in the cable. Well, stress is equal to force over area. The force is 2.8 kilonewtons or 2.8 times 10 to the 3 newtons, and the area is pi r squared, which is pi times the diameter over 2, which is 0.007 meters squared. This gives a stress of 1.8 times 10 to the 7 newtons per square meter, or pascals.